The day always starts the same way: sunrise, silence, and coffee. The coffee machine signals the start of my day, a small ritual that prepares my mind for coding. I savor the first sip, letting the warmth wake me up. No emails, no messages, just a moment to think about what I want to accomplish. This habit creates a clear line between rest and work. For me, coffee is the anchor that grounds my morning. I ease into the day, letting my mind warm up before tackling code. Once the caffeine kicks in, the fog lifts. I turn on my computer, ready for the challenges ahead. The screen lights up, and with it, the possibilities for the day. I'm prepared to face bugs, write features, and learn something new. This simple act of making coffee gives me confidence. It's my first small win, a universal ritual for many developers. The real work is about to begin, but I feel grounded. This is how I start every day as a programmer. The journey begins with coffee. With my computer on, it's time to plan. I open my task manager, Jira, Trello, or just a notebook. I scan the list: bugs, features, technical debt. I pick one main task for the day, plus a couple of smaller ones. Breaking big tasks into steps makes them less intimidating. For example, building an API means model, logic, root, tests. I review yesterday's code to reconnect with my work. Sometimes a fresh look reveals a better solution. This review bridges yesterday's progress with today's goals. Now I have structure and a clear path forward. It's not about finishing everything, just steady progress. Planning takes minutes but saves hours of confusion. With a plan and warm coffee, I'm ready to code. I'm not just reacting, I'm working toward a goal. The editor opens and the real work begins. My coding day often starts with back-end logic, the engine of the app. Today, I'm building a user profile update feature. I write a failing test first. Test-driven development keeps me focused. Then I create the endpoint, connect the database, and validate input. Each step is deliberate, building a strong foundation. When the test passes, it's a small victory. After a break, I switch to the front end, the user's view. I build a profile form with React or Vue, adding fields for name, email, and bio. Clean design matters. I want it simple and intuitive. I connect the form to the back end, tying everything together. When I save changes, the front end talks to the back end, updates the data, and shows the result. Testing the full flow, seeing it work, is deeply satisfying. Back end and front end, logic and design, all in sync. Each piece fits, and the app comes alive. This is the magic of development. Every working feature is a win. The satisfaction keeps me going. On to the next challenge. Not everything works on the first try. Debugging is part of the job. Today, an invalid email crashes the app. I become a detective, reading error messages and tracing the bug. Console logs help me see what's happening. Step by step, I narrow down the issue. The culprit: I forgot to check if the user object exists. A simple if statement fixes it now. Invalid input shows a friendly error. The relief of fixing a bug is real. Progress isn't just new code, sometimes it's deleting or improving what's there. Every bug fixed is a lesson learned. Small wins build confidence and momentum. Debugging teaches patience and sharpens skills. Don't get discouraged. Bugs are opportunities to grow. Each fix makes me a better developer. Celebrate the small victories. They're what keep you moving forward. Being a developer is about mindset. Patience is essential. Some problems seem impossible, but stepping away can reveal solutions. Confidence isn't knowing everything, it's trusting you can figure things out. Every small success builds that belief. Consistency matters more than talent. Showing up daily keeps you sharp. Even a few lines of code each day builds momentum. Coding becomes part of who you are. The habit of showing up is the foundation of long-term success. At day's end, I reflect, maybe I didn't finish everything, but I made progress. The journey is long with challenges and wins. Patience, confidence, and consistency are key. Keep showing up, keep coding, keep learning. Progress is made day by day. That's how developers grow. The most important thing: just keep going.